ওয়েলকাম টু IEL এ তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমরা শিখব কনভারসেশন মডিউল 3। We will learn a lot of new words and their applications. আমরা আজ অনেক নতুন নতুন শব্দ শিখব এবং সেগুলো কি করে ব্যবহার করতে হয় সেটাও শিখব। Kindly all of you note down those words and follow the applications. তোমরা প্রত্যেকে এই শব্দগুলোকে লিখে এবং বলে প্র্যাকটিস করো এবং ফলো করো এগুলো কিভাবে ব্যবহার হচ্ছে। ইংলিশ সাবজেক্টটা সারা জীবনের সাবজেক্ট, তাই অবশ্যই বলার সাথে সাথে লিখেও প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। দুটোই জরুরি, বলাও যেমন জরুরি, লেখাটাও জরুরি। তাই তোমাদের কাছে আমার রিকোয়েস্ট, প্রত্যেকে বলে এবং লিখে প্র্যাকটিস করো। আর যারা আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। আরও ভালো ভালো। Is your mother a movie buff?
No, my mother is not a movie buff. But on holidays, she watches films with good social messages. Can you drive a car?
Yes, I know how to drive a car. How is your relation with your brother?
I have a wonderful relationship with my brother. We share our thoughts with each other.
Which sport do you like the most?
I like football the most.
Who is your favorite footballer?
My favorite footballer is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Have you ever watched any live football match?
Yes, I have watched a live football match.
Where did you watch it?
I watched it at Salt Lake Stadium.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket. Not regularly, but only on Sundays.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be an author in future.
Does your mother read storybooks?
Yes, my mother reads storybooks.
What kind of storybooks does your mother read?
She reads all kinds of books like thrillers, fantasy, mystery, and motivational books. Have you ever been to Darjeeling?
Yes, I have been to Darjeeling several times.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Shimla. I have gone to Shimla many times.
Why do you like Shimla?
As I'm very much fond of the mountains, I like Shimla the most. The serene beauty of the mountains haunts me. The natural panorama of Shimla gives me heavenly bliss and tranquility.
Okay.
Are you a bookworm?
Yes, I am an avid reader. I read all kinds of books. But I love science fiction and fantasy. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer neither tea nor coffee. Do you encourage your friends to do yoga?
Yes, I encourage my friends to do yoga to keep their body healthy and fit. But some of them are not interested.
Why do you maintain a healthy diet?
I maintain a healthy diet Because a healthy diet gives a sound health, we can work harder and we can also get rid of diseases.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Ritu Snigdho, thank you very much.
You're welcome.